Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about how to activate WhatsApp dark mode. It's very simple. The issue is that WhatsApp has not launched the app into the Google Play Store, so it's in a website known as Acmiro. You can see this is the link acmiro.com/app WhatsApp 2.20.69. So I will have to go to the website and download it, although I already have the app. So what I have to do now, so what I have to do now is just go to the website, then download the app. I will draw the link of this link in the description section. So on the app is loaded, and see 2.20.69. So after that, it will show the download button. The bottom, you can see is it, just press download the app. I already have the app, so there's no need for me to go there. So now I will go and open the WhatsApp app now. So I will go there. To activate the dark mode is very simple. You can see this one going from Facebook. That means this is the latest one. So I have to go to the setting section. After that go to chat. You can see green wallpaper and likes. Press the green and then change it to dark. Once it has become dark, then it can be activated. You can now see it's very simple. You can see the dark mode is very cool. I think that's all I have to show today. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Thank you.